Dear ladies and dear gentlemen, recently I have seen this malicious website that has popped up in my browser. The website is this one, Yourfine4updatesset.best, and it says software update, Adobe Flash Player is out of date. The version of your plugin on your computer doesn't include the latest security updates. Flash cannot be used until you download an update from Adobe. So obviously it's a fake alert, and it is produced by certain adware currently installed and running in your Mac computer. And it's very dangerous if you interact with these alerts. What I mean, it's extremely dangerous if you download this this fake Adobe Flash Player update, because it actually contains the installer of some malicious software or potentially unwanted program. For example, recently a malware called Mac Cleanup Pro was installed as a result of such fake update. So I recommend you not to interact with it, and if you see such pop-ups in your Mac, make sure you immediately shut them down. Do not tolerate them. Another important step is that you check your Mac applications, and you may manually remove this Mac Cleanup Pro and other malicious software by right-clicking on it and selecting Move to Trash. After this has been done, my recommendation is that you additionally scan your Mac computer with the program called Combo Cleaner. It is downloadable through this website, combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com, using this download Combo Cleaner button. And after you install the software, this is the way it looks like. Combo Cleaner Premium version in my case. It will initiate the downloading the updates of the antivirus database, which is of crucial importance. And of course, keep in mind that Combo Cleaner has got two versions, the trial one and the premium version of the program. Once again, the website to download it is combocleaner.com, and after the updating the antivirus database is successfully achieved, you may click on the Start Combo Scan button. Keep in mind that the antivirus function of Combo Cleaner is just included into the premium version. So you have to be very careful to realize and to understand that the trial version is only limited by the disk cleaner function, which is for free. So after the antivirus databases are properly updated, you need to click on the Start Combo Scan button that will perform the thorough research and investigation of your Mac. It will detect and delete all possible malware or adware that may be the part of your Mac. And this can only be done, as you know, with the help of the premium version of the program. So, Start Combo Scan button to inspect the safety of your Mac computer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.